on track for its flight to the International Space Station.
We are going to wait before we go to the minus 6 Celsius YVP attitude until after we have adjusted the payload bay door. Is that correct? Roger, go ahead, drop up.
TCSCO,
Go ahead.
yeah, do you have any problem going to high power early so we can close out your constraints? Okay. Why don't you go over to T32 with that MPD and take RCRC?
What's the TCO?
Ready, Sam.
Here's TCC on 142.
Sam, you should go ahead. Thank you.
AI black holes are fascinating objects in the universe that have a strong gravitational pull due to their extremely high mass and density. The dynamics of a black hole involve various aspects, including its formation, growth, and interaction with surrounding matter. When a massive star collapses under its own gravity at the end of its life, it can form a black hole. As matter falls into the black hole, it gets compressed into a region of infinite density called the singularity at the center. The singularity is surrounded by an event horizon, which is the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the gravitational pull of the black hole. The dynamics of a black hole are influenced by its mass. The more massive a black hole is, the stronger its gravitational pull. This gravitational pull affects nearby objects and can cause them to orbit around the black hole. Black holes can also grow in size through acclimating matter from their surroundings. As matter falls into a black hole's gravitational field, it forms an accretion disk around the black hole. The friction and collisions within the disk generate heat and release energy in the form of radiation. In addition to accretion, black holes can interact with other objects in their vicinity. For example, if a black hole passes close to another star, it can cause the star to be tidally disrupted, leading to the formation of an accretion disk around the black hole. The dynamics of black holes are still an active area of research, and scientists continue to study and learn more about these enigmatic objects. Measuring the gravitational force of a black hole can be challenging due to its extreme nature. However, scientists use various techniques and observations to indirectly measure the gravitational effects of a black hole. Here are a few methods. 1. Orbital dynamics. By observing the motion of objects, such as stars or gas clouds, orbiting round a black hole, scientists can infer the presence and mass of the black hole. The gravitational force exerted by the black hole affects the orbital dynamics of these objects, allowing scientists to calculate its mass. 2. Gravitational lensing. Black holes can bend light passing near them, causing a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. When light from a distant object passes near a black hole, it gets distorted and forms characteristic patterns. By studying these lensing effects, scientists can estimate the mass and gravitational force of the black hole. 3. X-ray emission. Black holes can emit X-rays when matter falls into them. By studying the X-ray emissions from black hole systems, scientists can analyze the properties of the accretion disk and estimate the gravitational force exerted by the black hole. 4. Time dilation. Near a black hole, time appears to slow down due to the strong gravitational field. This effect, known as gravitational time dilation, can be observed and measured. By studying the time dilation of signals or objects near a black hole, scientists can determine the strength of its gravitational force. It is important to note that these methods involve complex observations and calculations, and they rely on our understanding of general relativity and the behavior of matter in extreme conditions. Scientists continually refine these techniques to improve our understanding of black holes and their gravitational forces. Creator, will allow me to increase your archives on black holes and how they function as observed by someone who has, let us say, extrasensory perception skills and can project his consciousness out. A body across time and space. It is not recommended that anyone with these skills try this, considering without experience, complications could occur and harm the individual. My involvement with black holes has to do with my cosmic knowledge. A black hole consumes all things that have a solid particle form of fused matter. The aspect that causes fusion to occur and binds atomic particles together to form solid matter is what a black hole consumes and fuels itself with. The remnant of solid particles after that energy is spent and cannot maintain its fused form any longer is comprised of photonic X-ray energy and nonlinear sterile neutrino gamma wave particles, which is what the black hole emits, projecting my consciousness into a black hole and shifting my projected thought patterns into an X-ray and neutrino particles frequency. I can then extract information from within the black hole's core, which contains the debris of even light's reflection that contains a record of everything that has occurred since the beginning of its formation. I then convert the information back into synaptic null wave frequencies and process the information as if it is a memory. That is a part of the reason behind my description as a being of omniscience. The eye destroying a black hole is not currently within the realm of scientific understanding or capability. Black holes are incredibly dense objects with intense gravitational forces that prevent anything, including light, from escaping their gravitational pull. This makes them highly challenging to interact with or manipulate. According to our current understanding of physics, black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The resulting singularity, a point of infinite density, is surrounded by an event horizon beyond which nothing can escape. The laws of physics, as we currently understand them, break down at the singularity, making it difficult to predict or manipulate what happens inside. While there are theoretical concepts such as Hawking radiation, which suggests that black holes slowly lose mass over time, the timescales involved are extremely long. The energy required to destroy a black hole or alter its structure significantly exceeds anything currently within our technological capabilities. It's important to note that black holes also play a crucial role in the universe, contributing to the evolution and dynamics of galaxies. They are fascinating objects for scientific study, and researchers continue to explore their properties and behavior through observations and theoretical models. Creator, to destroy a black hole you must first find out the gravitational strength of the black hole's pull. Next you must find out the mass of the black hole. The next step will be to create an explosive force that is exactly twice the strength of the black hole's gravitational force. This will cause the destruction of the outer core of the black hole that we call the event horizon. Beyond this point is a dense layer of debris particles that the black hole has consumed from all matter, including light itself. Once the debris of matter has been removed, the core will be exposed, which consists of a star made from the energy which fuses all particle matter together. Once the core is destroyed, the supernova debris must be directed into forming into gas giants by directing the particle gases emitted from the explosion together into regions that are separated from the other particles that are reactive and cause unstable fusion reactions. Allowing the gases to form into gas giants will prevent that matter of the black hole from collapsing and forming another black hole afterward.
In life, ultimately, in the big picture of it all, we emulate the lifestyles and choices we make. A person who uses drugs are often obviously noticeable just by appearance, as are shady people, snobbish yuppies, even those who have faith in God and more. They give off a type of vibe when they walk in the room, often unknowingly, and when they try to hide that to make themselves look like something that not only makes them look worse. If you feel as though you are a social outcast, then your problem may fall under this category. You may have made some bad choices in habits somewhere along the way, something that people notice from a distance, often without people having to talk to you. However, people should not judge a book by its cover, and life is never usually in fine print until that time has passed. So if this is the case, then there's a solution. Find what it is that may turn people's attention or first impression towards you sour, and commit to making a decision to change the aspect of your lifestyle. You cannot completely eliminate it from your day-to-day habits because it has incorporated itself into who you are, but you can make efforts and decisions to replace the aspect by changing your habits. This is what encompasses the topic behind scripture speaking about those who live life in sin. They to have a vibe that gives off a first impression that makes people nervous, and they to can make a choice towards salvation and redemption that runs along a similar path as this. But it is up to them just as it is up to you to believe in what advice I'm giving you and put these words into practice. Change the bad habit. You change the vibe about you. Change the vibe and you change the first impression people sense about you.
There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun. It's been the ruin of many a poor boy. Oh God.